Doogie. 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 Tutoy. Doogie. Why you so thin, Doogie? Why you so thin, Doogie? You are sad? Cause you don't have food? It's okay, Doogie. Next time, I buy a lot of food for you. It's okay. You are so sad. But it's okay. Don't be cry. Doogie, don't be cry. I'll buy some food for you if I have a time. Doogie, sleep. Doogie, Doogie. It's so thin, Doogie. It's okay. So, say hi to my vlog, Doogie. Doogie. Oh, it's okay. So, see you soon, Doogie. Bye-bye.